Okay, I believe we just found the dogs here. Okay, it is them. It's 100% them. Yeah, it was tricky at first with the snow, but they are. See, they're right here. They're together. But I've taken the light off them because I was freaking them out with the light. See, they're right here walking around. They are right. Here's your house. They are down. They're this way at you.
So they're coming back.
Well, who knows? But they're this way. You go down your road. They're this way a little bit. So, what I would do is I would go back. I would go back on your, if you want. You go back. I mean, what I'll do is I'm gonna keep the. I mean, I know it's them. I want to keep the light off them. I want to keep the light off and make sure I don't lose them here.
Hello.
Hello, sir. Are you by any chance, like, can you hear me or see me or anything?
I could hear you.
Okay. Yeah, I had lost the dogs there for a minute, but they are pretty much, at least I've got one of them here. I haven't hit the light on them yet because I don't want to make them run from the spot. My drone's up there about 300 feet in the air, so they are pretty much right on that spot. So I would think you should be able to see me up there. Can you, if you look up high in the sky, can you see my light up there flashing?
I'm kind of in some heavy cover.
Okay, but
Yep, I got you.
Okay,
I got you.
Yeah. So at least I'm assuming they're still together. At least one of them there is right below me there. I'll be 5 minutes tops. Just kind of hang out right in that area, and then hopefully when I come back, it shouldn't only be a few minutes. I'm gonna look for you on my way back out. So you're kind of coming in off that trail, right? Yeah, I should be able to almost see you on my way out. But I'm gonna come back for more batteries.
Taking off. Home point updated. Check map to confirm.
Okay, I'm heading back over towards that pin.
Okay.
Okay, so yeah, I'm back in that. I'm back.
Yeah, I can see it.
Okay, yeah. If you want, just come my way. Pretty sure I see both. Yeah, both dogs. I'm pretty sure I can see both of them moving there. They're just kind of standing right in that spot.
He probably froze.
Yeah, I'm sure. At some point, I will basically put the dogs in between you and me. This way here, I can see you both, and then I can tell you what the dog's doing as you're doing as you're calling out. And like I said, I would do when we finally get close enough. I would start out with a little bit of the smooch lips and the come here boy, come here boy, come here boy, and then I would do a couple. I would before you get too close, I would get that little metal dish handy. I would just put a little bit of food in there. I would have that handy. I would do it because we want to do a little bit of the baby talking, and then just a little a few shakes of that dish.
Oh, man. Can't get around here.
Yeah, the dog, okay, the one dog did just, it looks like they're hunkering down underneath this, oh, okay, the dog's moving. Okay, the dog is now, oh, it's just, it moved a little bit. Why did it do that? Okay, it's still kind of in the same spot still. Yeah, it's just milling around there. It's kind of,
You don't seem to be getting any closer.
what's that?
I said, you don't seem to be getting any closer.
Okay, you could see me though, right?
Oh, yeah, I can see.
Okay, yeah, just, you know, it'll be deceiving, you know. Okay, yeah, I do see both dogs there.
Yeah, I'm closing in.
Okay, you know, I'm. It might not be a terrible idea as you're coming this way, you know. Just start, you know, start doing, you know, some of the Waylon, come here, boy, come on, boy, come on, boy, like, you know, just kind of keep doing that as you're walking. And I've had a lot of luck with the owners, and even if the dogs like initially take off from you a little bit, a lot of times they will circle. Numerous times I've had them circle back to the owners. Like, I guess I'm saying is, like, once you start doing the baby talk, I really wouldn't stop doing it. Like the whole time you're closing in on the drone, just the whole time just go, Waylon, come here, boy. Come on, boy, want a treat. Want a treat. Come on, get a treat. Come on, boy. Come on. You know, I would just keep doing that over and over and over again. So you're probably within earshot of the dogs. I would go ahead and try it, and we'll just see what they do.
Oh, I just found the barbed wire fence. Huh.
Well, yeah, you might want to get across that.
Yep.
But yeah, once you get across that fence, I would, like I said, once you start doing the, you know, that very gentle baby talk, I would just kind of keep rolling with it.
Waylon.
Yep.
Emily.
Yep. Come on. Say, come here, boy.
Come on,
Give him the smooch. Give him the smooch lips.
Come on, Peppers.
Say, want a treat?
Come on, Waylon. You want a treat, buddy?
Say, come on.
Waymore.
Say, come on, boy. Good boy.
Emmers.
Yeah. Say, good boy. Good boy.
Come on, Emmers. Come on. Where are you, baby girl? Emily. Come on, doggies.
Yeah. However you normally talk to them in that manner, just you know, come here, boy. Come on, boys. Come on. Come on. Like just, I would just kind of. They haven't moved. I would just keep doing that as you're coming in.
Okay.
Just keep doing.
Come on, Waylon.
Yeah.
Come on, Emily.
Say come.
Go, Peppers.
Say come to daddy.
Come on, doggies. You want a treat? Who wants a treat?
There you go. Yeah.
Ready for a treat?
Yeah. Just
Come on, Emmer.
just keep doing that the whole time. Don't stop.
Come on, Waymore.
Because it'll give them a chance to like size you up as you're coming, and you know.
Come on, Waylon dog.
They haven't moved.
Hello. Hammer doggy. Come on, puppers.
Yeah, you're doing a good job.
Come on, doggies. Come on, doggies. Hello. Come on, puppers.
If you can, maybe do like a little whistle, like a little. Come here, boy. Like a little.
Come on.
If you know, if you do that, you know.
Come on, Waylon. Way more.
But what you're doing seems to be working. You know, what you're doing is not spooking them off. So I would just keep with it.
Where you going, Waylon? Come on, Emmer dog. Where's my baby doggies?
Yeah, that right there is the kind of stuff that works. Honestly, that's the kind of stuff that works.
Come on, baby doggies. Where'd we go? Huh? Where'd we go, doggies? Come on, Daddy's got a treat. Daddy's got a treat, Emmer. Waylon, you want a treat? Come on, Waymore. Come on. Come on, Waylon. Daddy's here. Come on, Emmer. Waylon.
Yeah, just keep doing that.
Where's my Waymore?
Keep doing that.
Where's my Waymore? Huh? Where's my Waymore? Come on, Waylon. Come on, boy. Come on, Waylon dog. Emmaloo. Where's my baby Emmers? Come on, baby girl. Come on, Daddy's here. Daddy's here.
Yeah, keep doing that.
I got you a treat. Daddy's got you a treat. Where'd you go, guys? Come on, Waylon.
Yeah, say, yep, say, Waylon boy, come on boy.
Come on, Waylon. Come on, Waylon. Where'd you go? Where's my Waylon dog? Come on, Waymore. Whew. Come on, Waylon. I dug something up there. Come on, Waylon.
Okay, sir, I'm going to have to come back for batteries. So what I'm going to have you do is, I'm going to have you just stay in that, just stay right in that spot. Just the whole time that I'm changing batteries, just keep doing the calling. Just keep doing exactly what you were doing the entire time. And I'm going to try to come back and get batteries and hope, I mean, they haven't ran off. So I think if you at least just keep doing that, they shouldn't get any further away.
Okay.
Okay?
Come on, Waylon.
So yeah, just keep doing that. I'm going to come back for
Come on, my dog.
I'm going to come back for batteries.
All right.
But just,
Come on, my dog.
yeah, but
Come on, Waylon.
just stay in that same spot and just kind of keep doing that over and over and over again.
Yep, I got you.
Well, I'm right where the dogs were, so.
Well, I can hear him barking.
Okay. Well, just keep doing what you're doing, sir. Just keep doing what you're doing. I'm right over where they were.
Come on, Waymore.
Yeah. Just say, come. Say, come here, boys. Come on, boys.
I can hear you, guys. Come on.
Yeah.
Come on, doggies.
Just keep going slowly that way.
Waylon. Emily. Come on, puppers. Come on, Waylon. I can hear you. Come on, where'd you go?
Yeah, I can see you. Yeah. Just keep doing that. Again, just at this point, you obviously want to go very slowly, but just keep doing that. Yeah, just keep doing what you're doing. It's obviously been working.
Come on, Emily.
Say, come on.
Waylon, I can hear you.
Say, come on, boys.
Come on, boy. Come on, doggies. Yeah, come on, doggies. Come on, others.
Can you see him?
No.
Okay, no, that's fine. Just keep doing what you're doing.
I can't see. Can't see 5 feet from right here.
That's all right. Just keep doing what you're doing. Just keep doing the. Come here, boys. Come on, come to daddy.
Come on, Waylon. Emily. Come on, dogs. I can hear you. Yes, Waylon. Come on, Waymore. Hammers. Oh, come on, Emmy. Daddy's got treats. Come on, guys. Oh, I can hear you, Waylon.
Okay, the dog's going towards you, sir. I think.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Come on, Waylon.
Keep doing that. Remember, get right down low. Get right down low.
Come on, Waylon.
Say, come on, boy.
Waylon. Come on, doggy. Hammer.
Boy, they're together. Yeah, the dogs are together. I thought it was you, but it's the dogs. Yeah, they're right by you.
Come on, puppers, where are you?
Let them. They're looking for you, I think. Turn your flashlight on. Turn your flashlight on if you.
It is on.
Okay. Yeah. Point it towards the ground. Yeah, point it towards the ground. Give them something to focus on. Because I can see them. I don't know why I can't see you. Boy, the dogs are like right here underneath me. Yeah, just keep doing that. Just keep doing that.
Come on, Emma.
I think you're close. You gotta be close.
Come on, puppers.
Just keep doing it.
Come on, puppers. Come on, doggies.
I'm like right over them.
Waylon. Come on, Daddy's got treats.
Boy, I
Where'd you go?
don't know why I can't.
Are you okay, doggies? Way more. Waylon. Come on, Emmers. Daddy's got treats. Where'd you go? Come on, guys.
Yeah, they're walking around like right below me.
Come on, guys. I'm right here.
I'm surprised you can't see them. Maybe take your flashlight and just shine around for them a little bit.
Come on, Emma dog. Come on, Waylon.
Say, yeah, well, come on, boys. Say, come on.
Guys.
Say, come on, boys.
Come on.
Say, come on, boys.
Come on, Waylon. Emma.
Just keep doing it. We just keep doing that. They were right there. Man, I can't believe.
You're right over the top of it.
Man, you're like, you got to be like 10 feet from the dogs. Just
Come on, Duggars.
yeah, just keep doing that.
Come on, Waymore. Come on, little Em. Come on, Emmer. Where'd you go, puppies? Huh? Come on, Daddy's got treats for you. Come on, Daddy's got treats.
Sir,
Come on, Waylon.
at this point, you're obviously close enough. I would just like kneel right down on the ground and just keep doing that. They will come to you eventually.
I'm on my knees right now.
Yeah. Okay. I would
Come on, Waylon.
just keep doing it.
Come on, Butter.
They'll come. They'll go to you. They're just probably a little bit scared and warming up to you.
I hear you, Butters. I hear you, Butters. Come on, Waylon. Come on, Butters. Atta boy. Come on, Butters. Come here, Waylon.
Yeah, I think I see one of them probably 15 yards in front of you.
Come on, Waylon.
Yeah, just keep doing that. Just keep doing the shake. Yeah, well, I mean, just keep doing what you're doing, sir, because it's been working. Yeah, just keep doing that. Come on, boy. Come on, boy.
Come on, Waylon. Come on, Ems. Come on, doggies. Come on, Daddy's got treats. Come on, Daddy's got treats. Come on, Butters. Come on, Butters. Yeah, Waylon, I can hear you. Come on. Where'd you go, guys? Huh? Come on, Waylon. Way more. Come on, Emma. Daddy can hear you. Come on. It's okay. Come on, guys.
I'm gonna back my drone up a little. I'm gonna back my drone up a little bit. See if I can.
I can hear you, Emma.
See if I can.
I can hear you, Waylon.
Yeah, just keep doing that. Just keep doing that
Come on,
until.
guys.
Just keep doing that until they come.
Come on, guys. Come on, Daddy's got treats. Come on, you want to go inside? Come on, we're going to go inside. Come on, Waylon, let's go in the house. I hear you, buddy. I hear you, buddy. Come on, Butters. I hear you, Butters. Come on, Waylon. Come on, guys. Daddy's got treats. There you are, Butter. Come on. I hear you barking. Come on. Come on, Emmer. Daddy can hear you. Yeah, come on, Ems. Come on, it's Daddy. Come on, it's Daddy.
If they haven't ran from you at this point, that's a good sign. They will come to you eventually.
Come on, Waymore. Oh, Emma Lou. Come on, baby. Come on, guys. Yes. Come on, Daddy can hear you. Come on, Daddy got some treats for you. Daddy got lots of treats. Waylon. Come on, Waylon.
What I would do, sir, take your flashlight if you can. Take your flashlight and just put it on the ground, like where it's shining on you, like away from you, but like where it's shining on you, and see if that helps.
Come on, Waylon. Oh, I can hear you, buddy. Come on.
Okay, one of the dogs moving.
Oh, I hear you. Now I can hear you jingling. Come on, doggies. Come on, Waymore. Come on, Ems. Come on, Dad. You got treats. Come here, babies. Come here, Waylon. Come on, Butters. Come on, it's okay. Yeah, I can hear you. I can hear your tags.
I think they're going to you, sir.
Come on, I got one of them.
Okay, perfect.
I got Waylon. Come here, Waylon.
Yes.
Come here, buddy.
Yeah.
Come here, buddy.
Did you get them?
Oh,
Okay.
Waylon.
Just keep doing that. The other one will come.
Come on, Emma.
Yeah, get him
Come on, Emily.
get him on a leash.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Come on,
get him on a leash, and then he should. Okay, the other one's coming. She's coming right to you. You got her.
Hey, there's Miami.
You got her.
There's Miami.
Yes.
Hang on, guys. Hang on now. Ow, 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 ow. Hang on. I gotta put the phone down.
Yeah, no, do what you gotta do, sir. Do what you gotta do.
Good. Hang on. Hang on. It's okay. Come on, I got you. Come on, we're gonna get out of here.
You able to get him on leash, sir?
Come on, we're gonna get out of here. Gonna be a long walk, doggy. You done went a long ways. You done went a long ways. Look at this. Hey, I got a spotlight. Come on, guys. Where's my doggy? There's my little Emerald. Waylon, hold up. Waylon, you hold up. Daddy can only go so fast. Hey, Daddy can only go so fast, alright? Come on. We're gonna get there. Waylon. Where the hell are my tracks? I can't find my tracks.
Sir, what I'm going to do is I'm going to come back, get more batteries, and then I'll kind of use my
I don't
drone.
know where the
Oh, sir, I'm going to come back and get batteries. Don't worry, I'll get you out. Yeah, you're back on the road now.
Won't be long now, dogs. 6 more pounds. Emmer says, I know where I am. Hey.
There, you got light now. There they come. All right, I'll see you guys when you get back.
Alrighty.
All right, good job in there.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
It's all about that baby talking. I'm telling you, it's all about that baby. Once you start doing that baby talking, you guys just keep rolling with it. They'll come to you eventually.